Hey guys, in today's class, I'll be sharing how to trade futures with a signal, alright? Now, many of us have seen signals and you want to trade futures signal. So in today's class, I will share step by step how to trade futures signal. Maybe you've joined a group or someone have given you a signal and you just want to trade with it, but you don't understand exactly what to do, alright? So follow this video step by step if you want to actually get it correctly, alright? So the very first step is to click on this area where you find market, okay, and of course futures is on the derivative area. So once in fact you're on the home area, all you have to do is you select derivatives and you can choose any crypto, okay. So I'll be leaving a signal on the screen right now, and this is a typical signal of a futures trade, okay. So futures trading signal is like this. I'll be sharing all you need to do. So first of all, you can see that the coin you're going to be trading is Bitcoin. So you can just quickly select Bitcoin over here, okay. Just click on Bitcoin. When you click on Bitcoin, it is just very easy. Now the next step is to see that we are longing, okay. The instruction or the direction is to long. So all you do is to click on this area where you find long. I'll be explaining what long means. Now, of course, long simply means that you are predicting that the price of Bitcoin is going up, or the price of the particular crypto you'll be trading is going up. If the price starts going up, you make money. If the price starts going down, you start losing money. That is exactly how it works. Okay. Now, if the direction is short, that means you're predicting that the price is going to come down. Now, if you use the short direction and the market starts coming down, you make money. If the market starts going up, you lose money when you use the short. All right. So here you can see that the direction is long, so we're going to click on long. Okay, and it brings us here. The next step is the leverage, and we see that the leverage is 10 times. Okay, so this is the leverage 10 times. So you're going to select 10 times. I already explained what leverage simply means. Leverage simply means you are borrowing money from the exchange. Okay, the more leverage you take, the more profit you can make and the more you can lose if things goes wrong. So you can give you 5 times leverage, 10 times leverage. You can just choose any leverage you want from here. Now if you don't see the particular leverage you would find, you can click on customize to customize your own leverage. So now this simply means that you can draw this like this, okay. But for now, let's be making use of 10 times leverage because that is exactly what it is on the signal. Okay, now people will be asking, what is isolated? Isolated is so simple. Isolated simply means that you are keeping your profit and your capital safe. I'm going to explain. Now, for example, you can see that on my screen, I have 98 USDT to trade with. And this simply means that if I choose to trade with 50 USDT, that means I'm not trading with 48 USDT. Now, if I'm using isolated and my 50 USDT, that maybe things start going wrong and my 50 USDT is burning, like I'm losing, okay, and I've lost that 50 USDT. My 48 USDT remains completely safe. That is the advantage of using isolated, okay. But if you choose to use cross is the next one. If you choose to use cross instead of isolated, it simply means that if I'm going to trade with 50 USDT and things start going wrong and I've lost my 50 USDT, cross will eat into the remaining 48 USDT that you're not even using to trade. So that is the disadvantage of cross. So I prefer using isolated. Okay, so you can see you can use isolated and 10x. Now 10x, remember I mentioned that 10x simply means that you are borrowing 10 times the money you are using to trade. Today we'll be using $50 to trade, and this simply means you are borrowing 10 times because the leverage is 10x. So 10x simply means I'm borrowing, if I'm using $50 to trade, I'm borrowing $500. So that is exactly what it means. Okay, so we're going to get straight to the next thing, which is entry price. You can see the entry price on the screen here is $120,000 for Bitcoin. Okay, so this simply means that these guys think that Bitcoin is actually going to be going up. Okay, but we have to actually get into the price of $120,000 first. So the entry price is what you're going to put into this area. Okay, you put your entry price into this area. Okay, so I'm just going to come here and write in $120,000 for Bitcoin. This is the entry price. Okay, normally entry price are usually, if you're long in, entry price is usually below the market price. Okay, if you are shorting, entry price can be above the market price. Okay, so it depends. Entry price is what you put into that area. Then the order value simply means the amount you are using to trade. Okay, amount you're using to trade. We are using $50 to trade. Don't forget, but since we are using 10 times leverage, that means we have borrowed $500. Okay, so if you're using $50 to trade, you multiply 50 times the leverage you have chosen. So 50 times 10 gives us 500. So you can put 500 on this area. So that is exactly what it means. Okay, so this is what it could be. Okay, and then the next step you're going to do is to set your take profit and stop loss, which is on this area. So definitely you can see on my screen that the take profits we can see here are 120,500, 121 250, 121 700, 122 550, 122 250. So there are different take profit zones. You can just choose the particular one you want. You want to get into Bitcoin, you want to buy Bitcoin when it comes to $120,000, and you want to take your profit when it has gotten to 120,500 at least. Okay, so you can set it by yourself. So what you're going to do, you can choose any take profit zone, and then you just click on TP and SL. You can see it over here. So when you click on this area, you can just come here and write the first take profit zone, which is 120,500. You can see this shows that you're making just 4% from this trade, and which is just about 2 USDT you'll be making. Okay, now what about the stop loss? Now the reason why I cannot type all the take profit is because you can choose any one. You can choose the first take profit, which is 120,500. You can choose the second take profit on your signal, which is 121,250. You can choose the third one, anyone you like, but I'm preferring to choose the first one because I just want to get into the market and get out of the market immediately. Stop loss. If things start going wrong, what price do you want to leave the market? So you can see the stop loss down here is 118,700. So in case things start going wrong and Bitcoin starts coming lower, comes to 120 and start going down and down and down. If it gets to 118,700, I am not trading again. Give me back my money. So this is where you come and put your 118,700. So you're trying to tell them that, okay, you're just willing to lose only 10%. Okay, this is how to use the signal. And this, then the next thing you're going to do is you just click on long. So you can click on long on this area, and you can see the order has been submitted. The order will come to this place where you find orders. Okay, it's going to remain on this area where you find orders, and the order will be waiting here. It will wait here until Bitcoin comes down to $120,000. Immediately Bitcoin comes down to $120,000, it will now come to where you can see positions. Okay, so guys, this is exactly how to use futures signal you find on any group. Okay, this is how to use it. Now in case you don't have any, in case you have any questions, you can actually come down in the comment section to ask me the question you really need to ask, because some people have a lot of questions that they would want to be answered, and I'm so happy to answer all of your questions. And in fact, many other persons have been asking what is the best app for arbitrage, how do I get arbitrage signals. I've linked an arbitrage tool that I use frequently in the comment section to get my arbitrage signals, and of course it has been amazing for me, and I get areas, I get exchanges where to buy and exchanges where to sell using this signal to make some profit. All right, so you can go down in the comment section, and of course the description you find that link to actually get access, and of course it's a paid tool. For now, ask your questions and I'll be here to answer everything. See you on another one, guys.